share with you a very delicious agua fresca. It's a grapefruit lemonade. It comes out delicious, refreshing, perfect for this summer. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Ingredients. I have granulated sugar, a pinch of salt, 3 grapefruits, 5 lemons, water, and this is everything we need for this delicious agua fresca. So let's get started. I want to start by making my simple syrup. I'm gonna put 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water to my saucepan, and I am ready to take it to the stove and start making my simple syrup. My friends, now I am ready to make my simple syrup. It's gonna take about 2 to 3 minutes before the sugar completely dissolves, but this is a very, very important step because melting our sugar, making this simple syrup, we add less sugar to our agua frescas. So this is a very important step. I'll see you back when the sugar has dissolved completely. Okay, my friends, my simple syrup is done. All the sugar has dissolved completely. And what I'm going to do now is just turn off the heat and let it rest. So when I am ready to add it to my agua fresca. Now I am ready to start rinsing my grapefruit and my lemons. My grapefruits are from my yard, they are organic, and the lemons are from my sister's tree, organic. This is nice and clean, and now I am ready to start slicing my grapefruit. This grapefruit, I'm gonna slice it in very thin slices because I am going to decorate my pitcher. I wanna make sure that I have very thin slices so they look so beautiful when I add them to my pitcher. This I'm gonna put aside, leave it in this white little dish I have right on the side, and look at this. Look how thin they are. They look so beautiful and red. Look at this. Now I am ready to start slicing my lemon. I'm gonna slice it in very thin slices, and I am going to reserve it, put it aside. But first I'm gonna get all the seeds out of the lemon. I don't want no seeds to go into my lemonade. So this is done. Now I am so ready to start cutting my lemons right in the center to start getting all that juice from these lemons. These lemons are very, very juicy, and let me show you. Once I start taking the juice out, a lot of juice is coming out of this organic lemons. And you could even smell the lemon. Now I am completely done. I already got all the juice from the lemons, and I'm gonna put it aside, and I am going to continue with my grapefruit. Look how beautiful this looks from the inside. They are so juicy, and the liquids are so red, intense. They're just amazing. Now I'm gonna go ahead and juice all the grapefruit. Look at this. Okay, this step is done. I'm gonna go ahead, just put it aside, and I have 1 bowl here. I'm gonna start putting the lemon and getting rid of the pulp and the seeds. This is the part that we don't want. We don't want any pulp or any seeds in this lemonade. Now I'm doing the same thing running it through a sifter just to make sure that I don't have any pulp in the lemonade or seeds. Now I'm adding my simple syrup. Remember that the sugar is to taste. I'm going to add just filtered water and of course my little pinch of salt. The pinch of salt really makes a difference. It really brings up all those flavors. And I'm gonna taste it to see if I need to add a little more of syrup, but to my tasting, this is fine. Now I am ready to start adding my decoration on my pitcher. I'm adding the grape juice and the lemons right on the bottom, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add some more on the sides so it looks really nice and really tempting, and of course very delicious. Because if you see something like this, you automatically know that it's gonna be so tasty, so delicious, so refreshing. So I'm just gonna continue adding the rest of the lemon slices and then adding all this juice inside. Look at this. This is already looking so beautiful, and I know it's nice and refreshing. Of course, when it's made at home, it's perfection. This is done. Let me taste it. My friends, I wanted to show you how beautiful my picture looks with the grapefruit, with the lemons. Look at this. Look how beautiful they look. And refreshing, of course. I wanted to show you this step so that you could prepare it at home, because if it looks good, I'm sure it tastes delicious. I am so ready to prepare my glass with a lot of ice and enjoy this grapefruit lemonade. I'll see you in a bit. Done with this delicious grapefruit lemonade. I showed you how I decorate my pitcher, and I hope that you could do it at home, because remember, if it looks good, it tastes amazing. Well, this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. Of course, that it looks so beautiful, so fancy, and it's so refreshing. So let's see how it came out. Excuse me. Definitely nice, cold, refreshing. The pinch of salt brought up all those flavors of the grapefruit and lemon. This is a perfect soft drink. Delicious agua fresca. I hope, my friends, you could prepare it at home for your family. Thank you so much for playing my video from start to end. I really do appreciate it. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media. Why not? Share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, yes, my friends, you are notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay refreshing myself with this grapefruit lemonade. Bye-bye.